Hi everyone, it's Danielle. Okay, I guess I need to get better lighting. I'm in the car, I pulled over so I could do this for you guys. Oh, that didn't really help. Hopefully by now, most of you have seen, the video that I did on how 31 math, basically. Like, I had a piece of paper the last time, and I wish I did this time as well. Just a minute. Everything's beeping at me in my car. Oh, be quiet. I want this light on. I don't think it will stay on. Hi. Sorry. Refocus. So hopefully some of you have seen the video that I had made. I actually made it for Jaylyn, who is on here. And I had a piece of paper, and I had broken down what I called 31 math. And for her specific situation, we were trying to make money. We weren't talking about free product. Her and I were discussing, what she could, what 31 could do for her, that sort of thing. So this is a different situation. This is a different math scenario, and I apologize. I wish I had a piece of paper. I'll when I get back home. I'm on my way home from parties, and I pulled over to do this for you guys because it was kind of on my brain. I want to talk about more of 31 math for the girl who loves the product, who would love the free product, okay? So let's just talk about the bare minimums, even though we don't want to be the bare minimums ever, but let's just talk about that for this scenario, okay? So you've got, we're going to call this girl Susie, and Susie, is, kind of thought about maybe joining, or maybe she hasn't, maybe you're just approaching her, but the reason you're approaching her, one way, shape, or form, is because she loves 31. Her list is super long. She's at the party, and her list is really long. Or you just know her, and she already has a ton of stuff, okay, whatever the reason is. Or she's got a bunch of Christmas, and she would love to gift 31 for Christmas, okay? So one way, shape, or form, she needs and wants a lot of product. So let's say the bare minimum that she has her launch party for you, okay? And the launch party goes well. She hits that average $600 party, okay? So let's just talk about that $600 party, okay? So this is the bare minimum right now. You are doing her launch, or you're helping with her launch at least, or I'm helping with her launch. She hits a $600 party. What does that mean for Susie? Have you really thought about the math with this new Starts Well program, okay? So this is Susie's party, right? She's the consultant. She's the hostess. She bought the kit for $99, right? We know that. So she made $150 off of this party. So she paid for her kit, okay, and then some. Well, let's just leave it at that. She paid for her kit. Her kit was now free. This is Susie that loves product. Remember, this is the girl we're talking about. Susie paid for her kit. Susie's Starts Well gave her $150 in free product because she had a $600 party. Susie's Hostess benefits gave her another $100 in free products. Ladies, that is $250 in free products and a free kit. 2 half-offs, 2 Hostess exclusives, and as you know, this month, 3 70% offs, okay? That is the bare minimum. Now, if you've coached her well, and I've coached her well, which we hope you have, and we hope we have, she has more parties coming, okay? She booked a couple parties from her home party. She booked a couple parties before the party because we talked to her. So she's going to continue to make money. She's not going to keep having her own parties. Maybe she will. Maybe she's a rock star and she's got a bunch of coworkers and family and friends that are going to order every month. But again, let's just talk about the least case scenario. She hits her Starts Well again. She gets $600 again because Susie booked another party, a couple parties the next month, and they hit $600 total, okay? Remember, she's getting another $150 in free product from that. Plus, she made a $150 paycheck. I mean, who knows? Susie may decide she wants to flip it and wants to buy product. We don't know. She really likes stuff, right? Susie really likes product. Okay, so I just wanted, and again, I'll give you a visual because I know some of you like to see that broken down. But I hope just hearing that, like, for some of you that don't do math, don't like math, or just hadn't thought about it, that at the bare minimum of just that one $600 party, Susie got a free kit and $250 free in product. for joining and us helping her do her own party. Hopefully she's hooked. Hopefully she now sees the light bulb of like, oh my gosh, look at this free product. And I'm actually making money too, because how many of us started off that way? That was this girl. Totally this girl. I was earning those starts while and doing stuff. Plus I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like really getting paychecks with this job. Can I get an amen there? And who are you that's you? So that's just a little bit of math. I want you, it's just one more person that you want to think about. Some people are in this for the money. Some people are in this for the product. There's 2 more reasons. If you know them, shout them out below. If you know the other 2 reasons that are the main, there are 4 main reasons that people join direct sales basically in general, or 31. So we've talked about money. If you have not seen the video already on the team page, please look that one up. It was a live video.
I keep talking.
I believe it was live. Actually, no, it might have been YouTube.
Sounds like I'm done, but I'm really not.
Jalen, you would have to remind me. It might have been a YouTube video that I shared. And actually, it might have been shared on the Atlantis page.
Oh, yeah, I ramble right here. Okay.